Welcome back to part 2 of chapter 2, lesson 6 on commissions and fees. As we left off, I told you that when we come back, you're going to need to pause the video and solve this problem. So go ahead and do that now, and I'll come back with a new one and show you how I solved it. I decided that I'm going to start off with a little better formula to talk about where things goes. We've got commission over sales is equal to percent over 100. It says that she wants to earn at least $700 in commission this month. So my commission spot, that is going to be $760. Next, we have a percent of 4.5, so that's 4.5 over the 100, and that means we need to find out the sales, how much Samantha's going to have to sell in order to get to where she wants to be. Now there's a number of different ways to go about this. I think I'm going to just take and use the, let's just use the equivalent ratios approach. So I'm going to say that 760 divided by 4.5 is going to equal what? So I'm going to grab up my calculator here. 760 divided by 4.5, and that's going to give me roughly 168.89. That number I'm going to have to multiply by the 100. Actually, it's probably going to be more than that, so probably let's do a few extra 8s there because I'm going to need them. And we're going to take from there 100 times that number, 168.8889. And when you do that, you bounce a decimal, bloop, bloop, 2 spaces to the right. So she's going to have to sell 16888.89 in order to earn the $760 commission. So now over here, sales is equal to $16,888.89, rounded to the nearest penny. That is showing your work. That is what I must see. Let's see if I got my answer right. Check our answer. What if I put a comma in here? Uh-oh, I did something wrong. I see what I did. I didn't read the instructions. It says round to your answer to the nearest dollar. I was rounding it to the nearest penny. My math was good. My rounding was not. $16,889 is how much she's going to need to sell in order to earn the commission that she wanted. It's important to read those little details. Now that we got the commission stuff down, let's take a look at fees. Sabrina bought some paper supplies from an online retailer. The retailer charges a $6.95 shipping fee or 8% of the total purchase, whichever is going to be greater. If Sabrina's total purchase is going to be $85.50, how much will she pay? Well, first off, what's a good estimate for 8% shipping fee? Well, 10% of $85.50 is going to be $8.55. So I'm going to say 8%. I'm going to say it's going to be about $83. That's my guess is going to be $8.30 or let's take it down to $8. I'm going to estimate the shipping fee is at 8% is going to be $8. Let's see if I'm going to be right. So once again, they're going to use a proportion to solve these, and you can see how it's been set up here. You've got the X, and the X represent the shipping fee. It says so right there. X represents the shipping fee. X over the cost, $85.50, is equal to the 8% over 100. From here, you can say, well, what do you multiply 100 by to get to 8? Oh, no, that's not what they did. They did it the other way. They said 8 100ths is the same thing as 800ths, or 0 and 800ths, which you have right here. We've done a lot of problems like that so far. And then from there, they're going to isolate the variable. X is being divided by the $85.50, so they multiply both sides by $85.50. They did it on the left and they did it on the right. These 85.50s on the left are going to divide each other out, and when they do, you're left with 1. 1 times x is the x you see here, and now all we have to do is multiply 0.8 0.08 times the $85.50 to find, wow, I missed the target. I guessed it was going to be $8. I was a pretty good range off, $6.84. Check the answer. The answer does check. I was a little ways off on that one. But we are not done. It wanted to find out how much is she going to pay. Well, 8% ended up being $8.84. Meanwhile, the other amount is going to be $8.95, and they said that Sabrina's going to have to pay the greater amount, so she's going to pay, I'm sorry, not $6.85. That's the amount poor Sabrina's going to get stuck paying and shipping. Can you solve the problem the other way? Absolutely. We could use a ratio reasoning problem we've done before, where we would have said that 100 x times 100. Let me go back and look at the ratio here. 100 times what number equals 85.5? Of course, that would have been a 0.855, and then multiply the 8 by the same thing would have got us to the same answer. And now it is your turn. Once again, pause the recording, work the problem, come up with your answer. One online marketplace will let you sell an item for a flat fee of $12.50. Another one charges a fee of 15% of the selling price for the item. If you want to sell a video game for $80, which one is going to be the better deal? Let's take and work out some problems. So I'm going to start off with the formula. And the formula I built said that the fee for selling the game is to the actual selling price as percent is to 100. So we know the actual selling price was going to be $80. We know that the percent was going to be 15% of 100, and we are looking for F, the fee. Now it's time to figure out how we're going to work this problem. I think the easiest way to do it is going to be to say that 100 times what number is equal to 80, and of course that is going to be 0.8 or 0.80. If I do it on the bottom, I have to do it on the top. 15 times 0.80 is equal to what number? Let's grab our calculator. 15 times 0.80, and that's going to give us 12. So the fee for shipping it that way is going to be $12, which is less than the $12.50 the other one wants to make. So what's the lesser fee going to be? Go back to our problem, and the lesser fee is going to be $12 even. Check your answer, and our answer checks. And now it is time for another glorious apply problem. David is starting a new job in sales. He can choose to earn only a 10% commission on monthly sales each month, or earn a base salary of $1,500 with a 3% commission on sales over $7,500. Which pay method would earn him more money if he had an average sales of $1,600 a month? Once again, guys, this is hard stuff, so I'm not going to make you work it on your own. Instead, I'm going to work through this problem with you. I think I'm going to start off doing the easy part first. I want to find out what the commission would be on the $1,600 if he just chose the 10% commission. So 10% commission, no monthly pay. Let's do that one first, because that's going to be the easy part. So my formula, commission over sales equals percent over 100, where the sales is going to be the 16,000. Commission's what we're looking for. The percent on that would be 10% over 100. We could say, what do you have to do to 100 to get to 16,000? So 100 times what number is going to equal to 16,000? And of course that number is going to be 160. I missed a zero there. So now I can go up to the top. 10 times 160 is going to equal to 1,600. So if he did that route, he would bring in $1,600 commission every month. That's not too shabby, but now we get to take and go in and figure out the hard part of this problem. So I'm going to box off part A here, where we're going to have all of our work nice and neat and organized, and then we're going to change colors because we're fixing to dive into the depths of some really challenging stuff. First off, on the second part, he's going to get a base salary of $1,500, but we're not going to worry about that part right now. We need to find out the commission he's going to earn. He's going to earn 3% commission on sales over $7,500 with an average sales of $1,600. So he doesn't get commission on $1,600. He gets commission on, $16,000. We're going to take $16,000, subtract $7,500 from it, and when we do that, we're going to end up doing some borrowing here. That's going to give me 15, which means I'm going to have a 8 right there, and yep, $8,500. That's what he would actually get the commission on. So with that knowledge, I'm going to go back to my little formula. Commission over sales equals percent over 100. Here, commission's still what we're looking for. The sales is now $8,500. The percent is still going to be the same. Nope. Percent is going to be 3% of 100. I'm going to come off to the side. I'm going to say 100 times what number is equal to 8,500. And of course, that number is going to be 85. Take 85, bounce the decimal 2 spaces to the right, and you're going to get the 8,500. So we're going to do the same thing here. 3 times 85 is going to equal to, that's going to be 240, 265, I believe. Let me check my work here. 3 times 85 equals, oh, I missed it by 10. That's going to be $255. And the $255 is going to be the commission that he would earn. But we're not done. We now need to take the $255 and add it to his base salary. So he had a base salary of $1,500 that way. Add $255 to it, and we're going to find that this way he would make $1,755 in the month. Which one's going to be more? The 3% commission one's going to be more. So now we want to take and say, go back to the original question, and it says, which method would earn him more money if he had an average sales? So it's going to be the second method. And our solution, we're going to give choices of base salary with commission, check our answer, and the answer is correct. This is the supporting work to go with it, and really that one wasn't too bad, but it did still require a lot of thought process. I don't think you're going to see anything that hard in your homework tonight. Dig in, get it done, give me good quality supporting work just like I give you guys, so I can give you full credit for doing it.